Alright, we're going to be working on this AX100 little dirt bike. Like I said in a previous video about which I'm going to entitle Don't Use Sta-bil or something like that. Looks like whoever had this used Sta-bil. It's once I get into the carburetor, already seeing here the condition of the needle right here, varnished with the Sta-bil. The interior of that carburetor is going to look really nasty. I don't know if it's going to be repairable or cleanable. The good thing is this is a cheap China made dirt bike, and that carburetor will probably be pretty inexpensive, but that's going to look pretty bad. You know, the kid just said go ahead and go through it and get it going for me, but there's some other problems as well that I'm going to have to fix on this thing, like for example the throttle. Well, the throttle is working. So what was happening was it was stuck. The needle was stuck in there, but yeah, the throttle is working okay. So thought that was going to be something I'd have to replace, but it's not. And he did say it was getting sparks, so now it would be a good idea to go ahead and check the valves while I'm doing this, because there's no telling, you know, when you get something that shows up at a scrapyard, it's in a scrapyard for a reason. There's no telling what all could be going on, how badly it was used, was it flooded. So I am going to check the spark plug. I want to see what the spark plug looks like. It will kind of give me an idea about what the motor is going to look like. Now, a lot of these things that come into the scrapyard, if you see some water, definitely water in the exhaust pipe, is going to indicate that it was flooded. On a 2-cycle, it's easy. All you have to do is take off the exhaust, and you'll be able to see what's going on in there. So probably the next thing I'll do is take off the spark plug to kind of get an idea about what the motor looks like on the inside, and then maybe start taking off some of the. As you notice, I haven't even started getting into because it's never just that easy. I mean, you can just go through the carburetor and then chunk it back on, but if you don't go through all the other stuff, you could then lead to a condition that's going to mess up the motor. I try to explain that to people that it's not as easy as just chunking on a new carburetor, or even just cleaning it out and put it back on. You really got to find out why was it in the scrapyard. So you can tell somebody actually went through it. They painted it. They did some work to it. Maybe the only problem is they put Sta-bil in the gas, tarred up and clogged up the carburetor. Hopefully that's it. But we'll try to give it a good looking over. I do know that these tires don't spin real easy, so maybe there's some brake stuff that's locked up on there, or maybe it's some bearings that need to be changed out. So we'll check all that stuff out too.